today is Sunday and I kind of just wanted to pop in and start this vlog right now. I just got back from picking up my groceries from Target. What's wrong? Huh? Yeah, I've just been really into ordering groceries for pickup because it's just way easier than trying to deal with toddlers, two toddlers in the store. Don't mind my hair right now. I just took it out of my braids. Later in this vlog, you will see me wash my hair. I'm probably gonna cut it as well. And I'm also going to do my nails. These nails have lasted about 2 weeks now, so it's time for me to redo those. So stay tuned for that. Right now I'm about to unpack all of my groceries and put them away, and I'm going to give you a little mini haul of everything I got. I got some of these mini tater tots, some crispy potato wedges, some beef meatballs. This is all stuff for me to give the girls for like snacks and lunch throughout the day. Some white cran peach. I'm making some rotel from rotel dip for dinner tonight, so I got 3 cans of that. Of course, the strawberries. I got some of this strawberry whipped cream because I want to make the girls like a Valentine's Day breakfast. So I also got some pink chocolate chip pancake mix, and then some red velvet syrup. Then we just got some bacon, some Velveeta cheese for the rotel dip, and then some ground beef for the rotel dip. In this bag, hey, what? Hey, Isla. It's okay. It's okay. My picture. Okay. I got some of these PB&J sandwiches for the girls. Hey, Issa, did you drop the strawberries? I also got some popcorn chicken. This is my first time getting any of these items, so I really hope they enjoy it. Hey, are you ready for a nap? These strawberry banana Cheerios, like the heart-shaped ones. So cute. There you go, baby. And then these are the chips that I got for the rotel dip. And I also got some of these applesauce pouches because the girls love applesauce. Oh, this is from last night. So yesterday, Nova and I had like a little mommy-daughter day, and we went out to eat, and I'll give you guys just a little recap of that. No. Yep. Let's wear this. Every time I buy strawberries, no matter how perfect they look in the store, they're always like very bad. First thing I like to do with my strawberries is just like pick out all of the bad ones. Like this one right here, you see how it has that little patch on it? I don't like that. Here's another one that I just do not like how it looks. Take out the bad ones and then I wash the decent ones. While they're eating their lunch, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up their play area slash office slash my workout area. So really this little area is kind of like their play area. Then we have a seating area over here where you can just like watch TV. Over here is my little workout area. I have like my treadmill, yoga mat, this little thing that I barely use, and then this mirror that I actually got from Wayfair. So I just recently purchased this rug about 2 days ago. I found it at Ross for $49, I believe. So I'll insert that footage right now of me rolling out this rug. The girls spend more time in this area than I do. I'm only ever in here when I'm on my treadmill, but I've been trying to get better with like working out in the morning before work, so I'll probably be in here a little bit more now. Like cheese.
Cheese.
So that was just a little recap of the breakfast the girls and I had this morning. I made them the pink chocolate chip pancakes and I made myself the red velvet pancake. Today is actually Wednesday, February 14th, Valentine's Day. And I'm working from home right now. I have my work computer right here. My work from home days are usually pretty busy. Like I'm always doing something from the time. You don't even know what I'm talking about. I usually stop working around 5 p.m. And sometimes I'll even just leave my laptop open like throughout the night just in case any emails come in that need to be responded to like immediately, because I'm still just like so new with this company and I hate the feeling of dropping the ball on anything. Like I try to stay on top of everything. So that's my little work update. So for the rest of today, I'm probably gonna do my nails. I was supposed to do my nails prior to Valentine's Day, but I'm not like going out or doing anything, so I just didn't rush it. And this hand is doing pretty bad right now. Like I'm missing a nail and my index finger and my thumb both broke off. But this hand, I haven't had anything break off. The only issue I have is like whenever I do my makeup, like the white polish gets stained. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do my nails and I'm probably gonna paint the girls' nails pink. So Isla is actually down for her nap right now and I want to polish Nova's nails before Isla wakes up because Isla's gonna be getting into everything. But I'm really sitting here being so big and greedy right now because my little sister ordered these Krispy Kreme donuts and I have ate, like after I ate breakfast this morning, I ate one and I was like, oh, these are good. I ate two more and now I'm thinking about eating a fourth one, but I'm like, ever since the beginning of this, yeah, you ate, Nova ate two of them already.
Yeah, they taste like cupcakes.
The donuts taste like cupcakes? Yeah, they're sweet like cupcakes are. Hey, Loki, calm down. Okay, Loki, hold on.
Okay.
So Loki was just like barking and I'm like, what the hell? Who is in the driveway? Because he goes hysterical whenever anyone comes into our driveway. And it's like this black guy in like a regular car with long dreads. He was kind of handsome. And he had my Target package, which does Target just have like random people deliver?
Is that what Daddy did to me?
Oh baby, that was not your daddy. That was not Daddy. That was the delivery guy.
Oh.
Yeah, he delivered my Target package, which is just some shoes. These are the shoes that I actually wanted last year, but they like sold out. So when I saw that they had them now, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get these so that I have some nice everyday mom sandals to wear for the summer.
Wow.
You like them?
Yeah, I like your new shoes.
So they're just some plain black square toe sandals with some gold detail. I would try them on so y'all can see how they look like on the feet, but my toes are not. Oh, they have the tag on them. They're $24.99.
Wow.
So I have the black pair and I absolutely love them, so I'm pretty sure I would love these. Wait, shh. Is your sister crying? Thought I heard a baby crying, but I guess I'm just like imagining it. Every time Isla is asleep, I constantly feel like I'm hearing a baby cry. Okay, so you like this pair too? This one just has the one Velcro strap right here, and I may have got these in white too. I think my last pair of shoes is just these in white. Yeah, so it's just it's just the white pair. Looking at them now, I like the white better. The white, the contrast, it just looks better. Are you gonna help me recycle the box? You have to break it down and put it in the recycle bin. You gonna help me?
The recycle bin.
The recycle bin is the green bin that we have outside. What did you just say to me?
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's, baby. Isla has woken up. Come here, baby. So now I'm about to fix her some lunch. She is still nursing, but I have been trying not to give her the boob. Come on, baby, let's get some lunch. So yeah, I've been trying not to give her the boob because I'm trying to like wean her off. Whenever she wants the boob for like comfort, I immediately give her food. So this is what I'm gonna give her from lunch. Just this little microwave dinner from Target. Loki likes to sit here and wait right under Isla's high chair to wait for her to drop food to him to eat. Here you go, baby. Maybe I should have given you a spoon. Oh, good job, mama. Okay, so these are the press-on nails that I chose for today. So my nail process is usually pretty quick. The first thing I do is floss off my old nails, and then I clip my nails down extremely sharp, and then I use my electric nail filer to file off any of that old glue from my previous set. I do this even when I didn't have a previous set because I want my nails to be kind of rough so that the nail glue has something to stick to. And then I apply some cuticle remover and I use a wooden stick to get rid of the dead skin. And this step is what really helps to make my press-ons look like I got them done in a nail salon. And then I apply a nail dehydrator, and I feel like this is what really makes my press-on last for weeks. So this is the glue I use. It's the Beauty Secrets glue that went viral on TikTok, and y'all, this glue is just as good as they say it is. First I apply the glue to my nail, and then I apply a little to the press-on, and then I like to slide the press-on down onto my nail. I try not to push it too far because it will hurt. This sliding method helps get rid of some of the air bubbles, and then I hold it like this for about 30 seconds, and this is how it turns out. I'm gonna end this vlog off by showing you my updated wash routine. I have to wash my hair like once a week now because if I don't, my hair will literally just fall out. I have really bad scalp eczema. Whenever I get a flare up, if I let too much like oil and hair product build up on my scalp, it'll get like super itchy and I'll be scratching it. A lot of my hair will be breaking off. And then I had a lot of postpartum hair loss along with there being eczema around my edges, so my edges were completely gone. All right, so the night before I wash my hair, I always put this oil in it. This oil was prescribed to me by my dermatologist to help relieve the eczema on my scalp. That's why my hair is super oily right now, because I've been having that sit in my hair for like 10 to 12 hours now. The shampoo and conditioner I use is by the brand Kristen S. So my main reason for buying this shampoo and conditioner was because it's fragrance free. And since I have very sensitive skin, I try to stay away from fragrance whenever I can. So I like to make sure I get a really good lather and cleanse my scalp. Of course, after I wash out that shampoo, I go right in with the conditioner. And I do let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while I complete my shower routine. And then I like to blow dry my hair out using my blow dryer brush. I found this one at Burlington. I do use a heat protectant, so I'm just washing my hair to just clean it and get ready for another week of wearing wigs. Either going to be braided up or in a bun for a week. So yeah, this is how my hair turns out every week now. Thank you guys for watching.